Green Udaan Electric Scooter. Mera Apna Scooter. The Green Electric Scooter is a groundbreaking and budget-friendly ride set to transform commuting. Supported by thorough research, it signifies a pivotal moment in the nation's transportation. The tagline Mera Apna Scooter positions it as a go-to choice for every individual. Point display and large wheels. The Green Electric Scooter has LCD display with battery level indicator and large 12-inch wheels, which can handle even the bumpiest of roads with ease, and can help you reach speeds of up to 25 km per hour. The pneumatic tires are tough enough to handle just about any situation, and the scooter's durable one-piece wheel hubs and high-strength steel frame make it strong enough to support riders up to 2. Comfortable and smooth riding. The dual rear suspensions, disc brake and adjustable saddle ensures a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. The electric scooter has pedal system, and once the battery charge gets over, the person can use the pedal system to reach the destination. Easy-to-use handle throttle and a 12-wider anti-slip deck to rest your feet on it. The adjustable seated design of the scooter makes it easy for new riders to learn and ride safely. Portable and rechargeable battery. The battery of the Green Electric Scooter is convenient. It takes 4 to 6 hours to charge, providing a range of up to 75 kilometers. Easy assembly and after-sales guarantee. The scooter is designed to be easy to assemble, with 95% of the work already done and clear instructions and tools provided. On receiving product, please WhatsApp on our customer service number. We will send a video for assembly and demo. Product comes with 180-day warranty that covers manufacturing defects. The customer service team also promises to be available within 48 hours. Best Buy link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.